catch you for that side. Wetin bring you?
My uncle stingy!
Why they shout?
I said na my uncle stingy!
Can me make your uncle stingy?
I want make you do something give me wey be say if I go meet my uncle, anything wey I go ask, my uncle go give me.
Na pikin, wetin I tell you so you go do am o.
With all my heart.
You go craze for 7
Hey! You don't craze before? You know what it means to craze?
You craze abi you no craze?
I go craze.
Oh yeah, go and craze in peace. Now you dey find something.
Jesus is Lord. Apostle will hear of this.
It is a well done though. Now my 6 days be this. You don't remain 1 day to complete.
Hey!
Where you craze go?
I go far.
I dey find you since to tell you say your uncle wey you can't do medicine for. I hear say he don't die.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
Make you for start to dey craze.
In die?
No, he faint.
You know what I need to tell you? You're a mumu man.